Hi, this is Dr. Doug's Mail from CDOCS, and today's tip of the day video is on the surgical instruments, the Molt 2.4 elevator. Now, this is a fundamental instrument that we have in our surgical kits at CDOCS. Now, we use these for the CI1, CI2, and for the advanced grafting course. And like I said, it's just a great double-ended instrument. You can see on the right that the small side is the Molt 2 side. That's great for kind of getting things started, and I'll show you pictures of that. And on the left side, you see the larger end. That's the Molt 4 side. So we're going to show you some ways that we can use that. Of course, we can use this as a flap elevator, as you see here. Now, sometimes I'll start with the 2, then as soon as I get the 4 Molt in, as you see here, you retract this right from the crest down over the buckle. And it's a great, sharp little elevator. It fits these flaps very nicely. The next way you can use this is to remove the core for flapless surgery. So, we put the guide on, we did our flapless core cutter, and now we brought that back out, and you use the 2 Molt side, and you kind of just spin that around, get underneath it. It's really great for elevating that little core without tearing it. So once you've gotten that done, you go ahead and just take a little curved hemostat, as you see here, and you can pop that core right out. So it's great for that. Another place you can use it, just in general extractions. The 2 Molt is a nice small area, and it's great for doing that. And once you've done that and the tooth is out, you can then use it as from the 2 Molt side. It's nice and sharp to get just between the gingiva and the bone to start making room for the membrane to be placed. So you see it just a little bit under there. And as you can see here, you can see it kind of almost poking through from underneath. You have to be a little bit careful. But again, what I'm trying to do there is elevate the flap and create some space in there so I can tuck a membrane in. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you at a CDOCS course. Thanks.